Is what it is, YouTube. And the crazy Jamaican again. I'm taking the slab down here. Got time coming up. Here's fucking seafood. Bitch ass.
I'm done. Come on, blueberries. You gotta be kidding me, blueberries. There's a whole bunch of blueberries there, and it's let my tank get wrecked.
They're spawning on that lava, and that fucking seafood guy does.
Yo, they spawn and shoot rockets at me, and these guys were just watching them because I was looking at them. You gotta be kidding me, dude. That's stupid. Look at this. They're all behind Delta.
Fucking tank. Fucking tank.
I'm going to. Where?
Echo. Fucking lot of guys shooting at my ass.
I'm coming to Echo now. Fucking guys, man. These suck.
Fucking ah!
Oh, man. I didn't have anything.
Got lava up here. Got 50 cal sniper there. Holy shit, now, oh my god, I'm dead. Try to take out this one of you motherfuckers with me.
Advise that an enemy soldier just got your location.
My vehicle mobility hit.
I see him. He's dead.
Oh, somebody blew him up. Son of a bitch. So I'm saying, look at all the blueberries I have over here. I'm going up Sniper Hill.
Oh, I got picked up.
Lost control of objective Charlie.
We got lava in the road, buddy. Echo side. Oh, fuck. Love dead.
Wow, there's an LAV shooting.
Sniper right somewhere.
You know what's over here?
Be advised, we've lost objective Bravo.
Hey, they got beacon back at Delta. Parachuters times 2.
West of your current location.
Some slams on the road.
This guy killed everybody over here. Hope he don't kill me too. Oh, he got killed.
Be advised, we've taken objective Echo.
They got beacon here though.
I've spotted hostile heavy armor due west of your position.
Shit. I'm getting out of here. I'm gonna run.
What the fuck? Parachuters behind me.
Where they? Look at the blue.
They got beacon up. They got freaking beacon, man.
Keep coming because there's nobody. I don't see anybody. Did you blow up that beacon?
No, I can't find it. They keep jumping in from the sky.
Objective Delta.
You lucky, Jet. You lucky. I saw you there. Oh shit. I don't know where that beacon is.
Damn, I got a tank coming up on my ass.
Hit him. Jesus.
Oh, how did you do that in front of me,
they're
dude?
parachuting. Look at him. They're parachuting from Echo. They're jumping off from Echo. Fucking C4 guy. You failed, nigga. Another two.
What's going on here? Where are these guys jumping from?
They're jumping from Echo, dude. They're parachuting from Echo Tower. Look, they're coming.
Oh, I see them. Here they come.
See them? They got beacon here. Oh, where is it?
Here he comes. I'm gonna keep him spotted so when he lands. Look.
He's coming right for me. He's coming right at me.
I got him. Headshot of them, baby.
We got a tank right here.
Look at that. Oh,
Well, it looks like there's an enemy sniper.
I'm slammed in the blow. Which way did he drive it?
I know. I don't understand it.
Up his ass out. Mobile to kill.
被我发现了，
One more shot.
我发现了你。
Mobile to kill again. Fucking hell, I got one more rocket left.
I shot.
Got him.
Nice.
Beacon is marked.
Objective Charlie has been lost.
The beacon is marked there, but
They're parachuting behind Delta again. Damn, yeah, bitch.
Got him with a slam.
Yeah, that guy shot me down before I could even take the guy off the pipe.
Oh, come on, man. These guys, we need a helicopter to go up and get that beacon.
We got a tank going on the back room.
Come on.
We got a tank flanking.
I have eyesight on these snipers. Sorted their location.
That guy didn't die?
I'm hitting the shit out of this helicopter, too. Look, I'm spotted.
Bike. See that two-man bike right there?
I know, I see that. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna put down some slams here.
Guys, we spotted that enemy
Oh,
machine
I got
gunner.
sniped. Look at this shit.
They're bright. Oh, there's a lab around the corner. There's a lab. Hey, take this lab. Don't destroy it. I'll try to protect it. Take it.
Come here. Well, I'm coming in. Hold on a second. I'm coming in.
Come on, somebody. Take it.
I'm coming, dude. I'm coming.
It's beacon though. Take it back to base. Take it to base.
35.
Yeah, it's enemy's lab. Take it to base.
Yep, I'm taking it. I got it. 42%. It's going up. Okay, beautiful. We took their lab.
Nice. Attack you.
看到了，是直升飞机。
He's not dead.
被我看到了敌军直升机。
Damn, how many shots does this guy have to take?
I'm weak. I need to head back to base too. I'm weak. I'm at 16. I ain't got no repair tool.
I don't need it.
This is the objective I
Look
want
at
you
these
to
guys,
attack.
these fucking these bullies. Look at this, there's just MVP laws of this tank. You gotta be kidding me, dude. And there's a blueberry right next to this guy. Look at this
Just
shit,
west of
man.
your
You
current
got it.
position. 我看到了敌军飞机，
Reload.
发现了天空飞着一个敌军飞机，
Ooh.
我发现了敌军直升机。发现敌军直升机。Just west of your enemy vehicle spotted. Just I walked through the attack.
Reload right
Look at
here.
this. MVP laws. This guy's
No
a
fly
140.
zone, bitch.
This guy's a 140 using an MVP
Your
law.
position. There appears to be hostile sniper.
Terrible.
I got a free tank
There's a
up there
tank.
again.
There's a tank.
We got a free tank. There's a tank up there
Look at
free.
this. Oh, come on. No. Look at this guy. Come on, game of freak. He's supposed to go up and get that spawn beacon. Come on, man. Get that spawn beacon. Come on.
You ain't interfering shit, boy. You ain't interfering nothing, boy. They blow the tank up.
Man, pull up, you motherfucker. Come on, man.
Yeah, right. Two tanks
Look at
on
this guy. He's
Delta.
going to be. Come on, man. German freak. Yeah, look at your freak. Come on, man. What are you doing? You're doing donuts here, man.
Have eyes on enemy hostiles west of your location.
I can't get that. I can't get it.
Damn.
Look at this. This guy's an idiot, dude. Come on, go up and get this spawn beacon. You know there's a spawn beacon there. I'm out. Fucking guy wasted a helicopter.
Blueberries, what do you expect, JR? The AIs, they ain't human.
I'm up in it. I'm up in it.
Look at this jet.
I'm going up to get that spawn beacon.
Just taking control of objective Bravo.
It is about to lift off.
Oh shit. I know, but I can't get that spawn beacon. I'm trying.
No
to.
fly.
大家请注意，敌军轻型装甲车。
Come on, dude. Go up and get that spawn beacon. Oh, you.
我看见了敌
Get
兵。
back in the helicopter again.
Have spotted hostile tank due west of your position.
Oh shit, it's there.
I need a ride. Hold on.
I'm done. Idiot. Take the helicopter. Goes around in circles. Goes around in circles and crash.
They don't know what they're doing, Jay.
They are taking control of objective Echo.
No fly.
Hostile helicopter to the north of your position.
He's on fire. He's dead.
There's, I should get off the fucking mic and tell his asshole. German something. What the fuck you doing? You know that the spawn beacon's up there, man. Go up and get it with the helicopter. No, you go around in fucking circles and crash.
Oh shit. Grip this motherfucker.
It's a level 10, that's why.
我看到了敌军战士。Due north of your location, there appears to be an enemy helicopter. We've taken control of objective
Yo.
Delta.
They're parachuting on Delta.
I got the jet, so.
Come, Laura. Come, Laura. That's it. Holy shit. He came real low.
Where is
No
he?
fly.
Where is he?
发
Come
现
on,
敌
touch
军
it
马
up
上
the
入
road.
敌。
I gotta try to take that.
What the fuck? Come on, my gun, man. That's bullshit. I selected my RPG to fire and it would not fire and switch back over to my goddamn pistol, freaking assault rifle. Now they're repairing the goddamn tank up there. It's a trick, bitch.
Oh shit, what hit me? Ah, you gotta be kidding me.
Oh fuck, a tank. Oh fuck, a tank. Oh fuck, a tank. Oh fuck, a tank. There's a shit out of a jar.
Fucking German, dude. Piss me off, dude. I had that spawn beacon. I could have killed it early.
Here comes the law. Your armor close.
Killed them, baby. Shifty. I like the J20. I can't fly the friggin' diamond jet, but I can fly the J20 a little better. More maneuverable.
Come on, fucking reload! Damn! Damn! Fucking! Come on. Hit it! Fuck it! Motherfucker!
Lost objective Charlie.
No! roof.
Oh, I always crash into that crane. I don't
Oh,
know
dude,
why,
you
I
don't
don't
crash.
know how.
He's still alive though. Blow it up, somebody.
We're in combat. I'm trying to get. There you go.
There appears to be an enemy soldier east of your
Another
location.
roof.
Sniper.
Whoop, getting sniped.
Beyond, toward him.
Yeah, where they at? Where they at?
Beyond Delta. Moving to intercept.
Western position with enemy helicopter. We have just taken control of objective Delta.
Coming. Hit him. No fucking way that missed. No bumbo clot. Oh, yeah. What the blood clot. How the hell did that miss? Not this time, bitch. Oh, come on. I don't know if I missed that shit. There's the size of the TV up. Oh my god. Dude, is it because I'm on a smaller screen today? I don't know. I can't shoot shit on that. Oh. There's numbers behind me.
Yeah, I'm just.
You have to stay for one more, JR.
I can't. It's that time.
That map is next.
Oh man.
Forest is
Damn, you did good. 25 and 7.
Did I?
Yeah, I did 9 and 8. You're number 1.
Hoorah.
Alright, that was good. I went positive at least on the last one. Look at German freak. It pissed me off.
Huh?
Dumb fuck. German freak. He's number 14 on our side.
Did
He's
we
level
lose?
10.
Or did you win?
Yeah, we lost.
Oh, so
Look
I'm
at
saying
407.
MVP. I got the highest in the game, boy.
That was it for me.
Alright, JJ.
Yeah.
Let's see if anybody else is online. I'll send an invite. You wanna come tag along for some trigger time. I invite coach. Alright, JJ. I'll catch you later, buddy. Start off with the Q5. Let's see what I can do. If I get it. Yeah. Shit, Jack.
攻击这个目标。Objective Echo has been taken. 我需要你攻击这个目标。我需要你攻击这个目标。发现敌军船只。 neutralize objective Bravo. 我需要你们攻击这个目标。Okay, I found a one-shot helicopter west of your position. 我需要你来攻击这个目标。攻击这个目标。We've just neutralized objective Alpha. We have taken objective Alpha. 我需要你们再来攻击这个目标，你们必须要攻击这个目标。
Nobody home. Okay, I think mechanics over here. 我发现了敌军直升机。Guys, we have lost objective Alpha. 我需要你攻击这个目标。